Welcome to the Akwa Flow Crypto Lab. We've been waiting for years and now it happened. Finally, XRP is officially in the moon zone of the big picture chart. This is great news, so in today's video we are going to talk about that. Then I will share an update of the cloud chart because it's telling us about the next resistances that we have to overcome. And I will finish the video with the regression chart. So I hope that you're excited. That's all for the introduction. Let's begin. If you've been a long time subscriber to this channel, you were already there every time that we hit the last resistance circle, preventing us from penetrating the moon zone in green. In addition, after the cross that we have just right here, we've been trending below the bull market support in blue, as you can see. You see that here we got a rejection from it. Here again, another rejection. Here more recently, another rejection. And here also. And you know that this line is probably the most important line on the chart. However, now it's getting interesting. As you can see, just right here, we have an official breakout. Let's zoom in. You'll understand what I'm saying. First, just right here, we have a beautiful candle body closing above the last resistance circle. This is the first time in the whole XRP history that this happened. But as you can see, the price was still below the bull market support in blue. So we have one breakout for the last resistance circle, but no breakout for the bull market support. But last week, with this candle, we had what we've been waiting for. An official breakout above the bull market support. This is incredible. For multiple weeks in a row, we've used this line as a strong resistance, okay? But as soon as we made it out of the resistance, the last resistance circle in red, and we penetrated the moon zone, then we had a breakout above the bull market support. This is incredible. I repeat again, this is amazing, guys. So, to make it clear, if we only consider this line, the bull market support with the blue dots, we are officially in a bull market. However, I use multiple indicators for a reason. For now, this is the only indicator saying that we are in a bull market. So we need to wait for more confirmation to be sure that we are in a bull market. At least, we might say that XRP is in some kind of transition phase. So now, what can we expect? First, XRP has a lot of work to be considered in a bull market for all my indicators. Indeed, we still have pretty strong resistances above us, and don't be surprised if XRP comes back down to retest the bull market support at some point. So far, we have our breakout, which is good, but for confirmation and for health of the market, we need to retest the bull market support. It's not guaranteed, but this would be very healthy. Then above us, we have the 180 weeks exponential moving average. We predicted that this level was the next level to watch, and as you can see, as I speak, we just retested the line here and we started going back down. This confirms that this is the next point of resistance to watch. Indeed, I remind you that in the past, this line was very, very important for the market because just right here after the cross of the bull market, we came back down to retest the line. We had a nice bounce to the upside, retest of the bull market support, right? But it was a resistance this time. Then breakout, come back down and retest, but this time as a very strong resistance that pushed us to the downside, and right now we are retesting the line again as a resistance. In addition, if we display the bull bear band that you can see on the chart, the band is pretty large right now. Look, it starts from here to here. And the band is starting turning orange, which is a good sign and which indicates that we might be in a transition phase into a bull market. You see it, right? We were red from here to here, and now we are orange. In order to fully be in a bull market, XRP has to go above the band, meaning above 68 cents. And currently, the bull market support is around 39 cents, so keep this level in mind because we might retest this line. Of course, if we do not go down and instead we have a breakout above the 180 weeks exponential moving average, it would be amazing because if we do this time it's the 180 weeks exponential moving average that would become a support. So that's all for this chart. Let's switch to the next chart. This is the bull bear cloud chart. As you can see on this chart, we have the bull bear cloud indicator. Sometimes it's red in bear markets, sometimes it's green in bull markets. And according to this indicator, as long as we stay below the cloud, we are still in a bear market. So here was the official candle closing below the cloud. So starting from here, we've been in a bear market, right? And right now, XRP is finally retesting the cloud to see if we are able to go above it and to be officially in a bull market this time. I am using the 23 days time frame and the current candle will close on April the 3rd. So let's wait for the close before jumping into any conclusion. Currently, the upper part of the cloud is around 51 cents, so keep this level in mind. If we are able to close above the cloud, it would be amazing, like it was the case just right here. But as you can see, after closing above it, we had to come back down to retest the cloud and the bull market support. So always remember this. Even if we have a breakout, at some point we will have to come back down to retest the cloud. And last but not least, let's see what happened in the regression chart. On this chart in green, we have the bottom regression line. And as you know, every time that we touch it, we have a bounce to the upside. And more recently, this line has been playing a major role in keeping XRP in a slow, very slow uptrend. And despite the multiple attempts to go below the line, you see that every time the price managed to close above the line, and even if with this candle we closed below it, with the next candle we managed to close above it. So we have no candle body below the line. This is very important, and this means that on the monthly time frame, this regression line is a beautiful support. So XRP might be building a slow bullish momentum before the great explosion. In the comments, let me know what you think about this analysis. I think that we're starting seeing some really interesting bullish moves in the market. This indicates that the market may be preparing for the next bull market. If you want to track what will happen with us, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Thanks for the support. That's all for today's video, and as always, time will tell.